Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Sennheiser MOMENTUM M3IETW2 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earbuds not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, or if they're not pairing or syncing with your device, if you're only getting sound out of one ear, usually the left ear, a hard reset to the factory default settings will fix a lot of these issues. The second reason you might want to do this is just if you're setting these up as a new set of earbuds, you just want to wipe all the pairing history off for whatever reason so that you can just set them up like new. This will go ahead and do this. We can go ahead and do this. We want to make sure that all our contacts are clean on the case and on the earbuds, and then we're just going to plug with the earbuds out of the case. We're going to plug the case in so that the earbuds can charge. Once the case is plugged in, we're going to go ahead and put our earbuds in the case as shown here and make sure they're charging. Once they're in there and charging, then we're just going to come and press simultaneously on the back of both earbuds, and we're going to count for 12 seconds. And after 12 seconds, these earbuds will reset to their factory default settings. You can go ahead and take them out and pair them again as brand new earbuds.